In this tutorial, you will learn how to replace the laminate in the laminator. Unlock the laminate cassette by rotating the locking lever in the direction shown. Rotate the cassette as shown until it stops. Remove the cassette by pulling straight out from its spindle. Open the cassette by spreading its two halves at the hinge. Grasp the two halves firmly, then pull apart. If there is an empty laminate core in the cassette, remove it. Open the laminate package and remove the laminate roll. Remove the protective wrapper from the laminate roll. Peel off the sticker and unroll several inches of laminate. Place the roll in the upper laminate cassette as shown. Close the cassette. Press the two halves of the cassette together until it clicks. Cut the laminate square with scissors. Rotate the core to adjust the laminate overhang. Stop when the end of the laminate is just beyond the lip of the cassette. Slide the cassette onto the spindle. Rotate the cassette as shown. Continue to turn the cassette. The locking lever will move to the left as the cassette rotates over the locking mechanism and will then click into the locked position.